Hello and welcome back to Do Review. David O here, and today I've got the Dark Crystal Best Buy exclusive 4K Steelbook. I have very fond memories of this movie as a kid. This one, and along with Labyrinth, were some of my favorite of repeat viewings. But let's do this. Alright, wrapper is off. This is a glossy finish. No debossing or embossing on the cover. I am loving all these catalog titles. Getting 4K Steelbook releases makes me happy. I will be giving away the digital copy. Stay tuned towards the end of the video for info on how to win that. It's a nice little note from Lisa Henson for fans of the Dark Crystal. I'll include a high-res image of this at the end of the video if you want to take a better look at that. And some merch. Boy. Gotta put your back into that one. Of course, this is an image from the movie with the Skeksis around the Dark Crystal. I'm really excited to watch this again. I haven't seen this in a long time. Artwork for the Blu-ray disc, and basically standard 4K disc. Overall, I really like this Steelbook. I love seeing classic catalog titles getting a 4K Steelbook re-release, and myself and my wallet will continue to support them. As I mentioned, I am giving away the digital copy of the Dark Crystal. To enter, you just need to be a subscriber, like the video, and comment below with your favorite movie featuring puppets. I know it seems a little obscure, but if you want to go Puppet Master, go Puppet Master. You want to go Team America, let's go Team America. Or if you want to go Gremlins or the Muppets, whatever movie featuring a puppet, throw it down, your favorite one. This weekend, I will pick a winner at random. Well, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out my newly launched Steelbook pre-order info videos, giving you a heads up at your upcoming Steelbook releases. You can find me on all social medias at Do Review Movies. And as always, I'm David O, and we're done here.